He finished installing the kitchen he made in his workshop a few days ago. He has used an oak laminate countertop, which he found at a good price in a carpentry store. It has pieces of oak in all shades, giving it a unique look. He needed solid wood because the sink is below the countertop, meaning the edge is visible. This way the kitchen is more original. He has also installed a flexible facade. He used waterproof MDF with a matte white finish to make the doors and plinth. The inside of the drawers is birch plywood. There is a little protrusion on the floor and to the left of the steel wire shelving because of the stair landing that he covered with laminate flooring. This way it's barely perceptible. He used the piece of wood left over the kitchen countertop to make the tops for the steel wire shelving. He thinks it has been much more usable. He have seen some of you aren't clear what the difference between a European and a classic American kitchen is, the kind usually installed in the US. The main difference is that the cabinets are frameless in European kitchens. There are no frames around the doors and drawers, making them easier and more simple to build. Another difference is that in Europe, we tend to use practical board with white melamine or foxwood grain to make cabinets, whereas in the US, bare plywood is used, which means the inside of the cabinets has to be painted after being installed in the kitchen. In the US, they do not usually use adjustable legs. Instead, they make the sides of the cabinets down to the ground, which makes also installation difficult. Installing this kind of European kitchen is relatively easy task by joining cabinets together. All that is left is finish placing the rest of the appliances. For the cooktop, it is only necessary to put it in its hole. Thanks for watching, until next time.